Welcome back to Toys and RC. Today we're testing one of the most unique RC watercraft to hit the channel this year. This is the XMalNexity RC Kayak. At first glance, it looks like a regular remote-controlled kayak, but it features a unique design that sets it apart from most RC boats on the market. It's compact, affordable, and promises plenty of fun in swimming pools, small lakes, ponds, and other calm waters. But is it really worth the price? How does it perform on the water? And does it deserve the title of one of the best budget RC kayaks of 2026? Before we get started, I'd like to give a special thanks to XMalNexity for kindly sending us 2 RC kayaks free of charge for this review. Thank you for your trust and for supporting the channel. Now, let's unbox it, get it on the water, and see what it's capable of. If you enjoy RC reviews, on the water tests, and the latest RC releases, don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss our upcoming videos. Let's get started. By visiting the XMalNexity Amazon store, you'll find this RC Kayak available in 3 different colors, blue, green, and yellow, so you can choose your favorite. In addition, when you visit the XMalNexity Amazon store, you'll find a wide range of other exciting RC products for all ages and interests. It's definitely worth exploring their full lineup. You might discover other models that catch your eye as well. As I mentioned earlier, XMalNexity kindly sent us 2 RC kayaks for this review. At first glance, just by looking at the packaging, you can tell this is a well-made product. The box features an attractive design with high-quality graphics and clear information about the kayak's main features and functions, creating an excellent first impression right from the start. This is the yellow version. On this side of the box, you can see the remote controller and the RC Kayak, along with the recommended age rating of 6 years and up. And this is the blue version. Inside the box, you'll find the XMalNexity RC Kayak, a 2.4 GHz remote controller, a rechargeable battery, a USB charging cable, and the user manual. XMalNexity also includes 2 spare paddle blades, which are a nice addition in case one gets lost or damaged during use. The included user manual provides step-by-step setup instructions, battery charging information, remote pairing, control functions, safety guidelines, and basic maintenance tips to help you get the most out of your RC kayak. Inside the box, everything is neatly organized and carefully arranged. The design of this RC kayak is compact, measuring approximately 20 centimeters in length, making it easy to carry and transport. The overall finish is surprisingly impressive. The paintwork looks clean and well applied, while the semi-transparent hull allows you to see part of the built-in LED lighting, creating a really attractive effect, especially when using it later in the day. Even though it's a small model, it feels solid and well built, giving a reassuring sense of durability. XMalNexity also includes 2 spare propellers, which are a great addition in case one gets lost or becomes damaged during use. Charging the battery is very straightforward. Simply connect the included USB charging cable to a compatible USB power source and plug in the battery. It's a convenient solution that lets you charge the RC Kayak using a phone charger, computer, or power bank with no special equipment required. I'll start by inserting the batteries into the remote controller and turning it on. The remote controller uses 2.4 GHz technology, allowing you to control the kayak from up to approximately 30 meters away. This technology also helps prevent signal interference when multiple RC boats or kayaks are being used at the same time. The controls are very straightforward. You can move forward, reverse, turn left and right, and switch between two speed modes, low and high. This makes the kayak suitable for both beginners and more experienced RC enthusiasts. To turn on the RC Kayak, simply switch it to the on position and place it in the water. It's a very simple process, as the built-in water sensors automatically activate the kayak. However, to show you how it works without putting it in the water, I'm just going to wet the water sensors so it can be activated out of the water. Now it's time to put both RC kayaks in the water and see how they perform in real-world conditions. Will they live up to the expectations? Grab some popcorn, sit back, relax, and watch until the end to see all the tests and hear my final verdict. So, is it worth buying? In my opinion, absolutely. If you're looking for something different from a traditional RC boat, the XMalNexity RC Kayak is a great choice. It's easy to control, very stable on the water, features LED lights, offers both high and low speed modes, and includes a water-activated safety system that prevents the motor from running when it's out of the water. It's an excellent option for beginners, anyone looking for a unique gift, or RC enthusiasts who want to try something a little different. One of the most memorable moments during filming happened when several children noticed the RC Kayak on the water. They became so excited that they actually lined up for a chance to try it. In total, around 8 kids had a turn, and it was great to see how much fun they were having. Unfortunately, I couldn't film or record them for privacy reasons, but it was one of the highlights of the day and showed just how enjoyable this little RC kayak is for people of all ages. If you're looking for a compact, fun, and affordable RC kayak, this one definitely deserves a spot on your shortlist. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and let me know in the comments what you think about the XMalNexity RC kayak. And of course, subscribe to Toys in RC and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest RC reviews, water tests, and new product showcases. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.